I think too, like, I think it's really important. Like, remember, Donald Trump didn't sign the Birthright Citizenship executive order on day one and think like, okay, well, that'll just go into place, right? I mean, he knew, obviously his legal team knew, like, this was aimed at prompting a legal fight,
yes,
right? Unlike some of the things he signed, they knew that this was going to be challenged because of the 14th Amendment, right? So I always point to people, Donald Trump said he was so happy, quoted, so happy when the justices agreed to take this up, which, as Zach said, this is not like exactly birthright citizenship available to people who are everyone born in this country or not. This is a little bit of a technicality, but again, I think it's, Amber, to your point, it's the Trump administration is trying to engage in these conversations at the legal level in hopes that they get some guidance. Yes, guidance that is favorable to them, but guidance on some of the stuff that is very gray area and hasn't really been challenged. So it's sort of a victory even that the Supreme Court heard these oral arguments, and we're talking about these oral arguments for Donald Trump's sort of like broader legal strategy.
Yeah, I think that's exactly right, because I think it was in the week after the EO was issued that the DOJ called in reporters for a background briefing.
Right.
And I was there, and they were talking about this exact issue, which is we don't know whether or not we're going to prevail in the Supreme Court. We don't even know if the Supreme Court is going to take this up. But we hope that they do, because then finally we'll have settled this question once and for all. And we can have clarity as to whether or not we need to move forward through a process to actually amend the Constitution.